After home renovations, leftover materials often end up as waste. In China alone, it is estimated that over 3 billion tons of construction and renovation waste are generated annually, with around 13% discarded immediately after delivery. Families struggle with identifying, storing, and reusing leftover materials. And while they are reluctant to discard them, they also lack convenient ways to store or repurpose these items. CraftPath helps users identify leftover materials, match them to DIY projects, and guide step-by-step creation. AI recommendations, community inspiration, and easy-to-follow tutorials make reuse simple and fun. Turn leftover materials into meaningful projects, engage the whole family, and contribute to a sustainable home. CraftPath, make every leftover count.